Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus here at 124 Rounds Avenue, located in Riverside, Rhode Island. This is a 2-floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, part of a duplex here in Riverside. We're going to begin our walkthrough of this unit on the top floor, housing the dining room, kitchen space, and living room. Starting in this dining area, plenty of space for a small to medium-sized dining set. Obviously, as you can see, housing a tile flooring throughout this area. You have a rear glass sliding door that leads to a private balcony, also gives you a good view of the backyard space, and also houses an additional closet in this dining area. It is, of course, connected to the kitchen area, which we'll check out next. Kitchen space houses plenty of additional cabinetry along the left and right side for plenty of storage. You also have all stainless steel appliances and a really stylish brick backsplash along the walls here. Along with that, wide open countertops, some extra outlets for other kitchen plugins, and the appliances include a medium-sized refrigerator, 5-burner stove and oven with the exhaust fan, dual bin sink, and dishwasher. Flipping around, we'll check out the living space. Living area houses a freshly clean carpet flooring. You also have a nice fresh coat of paint throughout the entire unit. You'll especially notice it in this living area. Glass sliding doors along the front side give you great views of the neighborhood, the street, and your private driveway. Plenty of square footage in here for all kinds of furniture layouts and lots of outlets for any electronics. Also houses the stairway here that leads to the downstairs and houses your main entryway into the unit. You've also got a really good sized closet in this living area too, basically a walk-in for tons of extra storage. But let's go check out downstairs next. This obviously houses the 2 bedrooms and the full bath. Both bedrooms house the same carpet flooring you saw in the living room, and the bathroom houses the same tile flooring that was in the kitchen. We're going to start here with the right side bedroom. This bedroom can easily fit up to a queen bed set, so standard full Excel or queen, whatever you're looking for. Again, carpet flooring, fresh paint, bright open windows, and a good sized closet in this bedroom as well. And this is probably the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, but again, should be able to fit a queen pretty easily. Next, we'll check out the left side bedroom. This is, of course, your larger of the 2 bedrooms. This bedroom should easily fit a queen as well, and you could potentially swing a king if that's what you're looking for. Houses a glass sliding door that leads to your rear patio area. Good for, a couple chairs, a small table, whatever you're looking for. Good sized closet in here too. And you'll also notice that both bedrooms house an AC unit along with the dining room. So you have plug-in AC units and baseboard heat throughout this unit. But finally, we'll check out here the bathroom. Same tile flooring you saw in your kitchen area. Along your left side, you have a pretty open sink vanity, large mirror up above, and across from that, you have the full tub and shower hooked up and ready to go. Beautiful. So once again, this is 124 Rounds Avenue here in Riverside, Rhode Island, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. If you are interested in seeing this unit and or applying for this apartment, feel free to contact the Nexus Rhode Island office at 401-288-1117. You can either text that number directly or call it, letting us know that you are interested. And of course, I always advise to subscribe to the Nexus YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we publish on our website. We'll of course upload them on YouTube, and any other news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.